Here's your order.
Baka masarap. Order pa ng Amazon.
Here's your order. Okay,
Sir Steve, look, oh.
Sir Steve, this is for Christina's order.
Wow.
Hindi.
It's,
Thank you, Sir Steve.
It's so
for the, ano,
bag and tumbler.
For the
I will unbox you.
Yeah, unbox it.
Wow!
Steve, this Lindea's gift. Oh.
Thank you, Sir Steve. I received my new bag and makeup
Yes,
set.
advance birthday gift.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, we were going there, Sir Steve.
Thank you always, Sir Steve.
On her birthday.
Open it.
Apik daw.
Ganda niyan.
Ganda, Sir Steve. Thank you.
Okay. Wow, Sir Steve, it's it's a full set. Very full set.
Magkano ganyan ba?
Hindi ko alam. Ako may adlang hindi ko alam. Binasa ko sa'yo, di ba?
Wow, ang dami, Sir Steve. I'm going to be full again.
Sir Steve, look! It's full. It's complete. Very complete. Dami. Wow, hindi ka make beautiful.
Hindi kasi simulan talaga may product make-up.
Sir Steve, lahat. Mga mascara.
Wow, so beautiful.
Basta ba, Sir Steve?
Like us.
Skin tone.
Unboxing.
Ganda. Sa mukha na maliit lang.
Kailan ko doon sana. Thank you again, Sir Steve. I love it.
See you on her birthday, Sir Steve.
Yes, Sir Steve. You can visit my
Birthday event. Hi, Sir Steve. Thank you so much for this. I will unboxing this. One of my wish list. Thank you. Ay, kami ko na. Ito ba tayo already po na nila. Pero wish list. Thank you so much. Wow, thank you, Sir Steve. First from the US. Oh. What is this? How can I open this? Oh my god. What's this? Brand? Wow. Oh, thank you so much. Wow. Handle, what's the handle? Oh, yeah. Oh, here's the handle. I can use this. Oh, there's a screwdriver. Is it free? Is it free? Thank you. Thank you so much for the best. Thank you for the gift. Wow, thank you so much.